I will show you how to repair electric iron, uh, no power. So the first thing to do is to check the fuse of this. Electric iron. So I will check the fuse if it's working. So I have a tester here. So I select times 10 or times 1. So the fuse is okay. So next is to next step is to remove the back cover, and then check if the wiring is still okay. So well, check the other one. The other one is fine. And then the other one is okay. Ground is working, connected. So you have to remove the cover of this. So there's a cover at the top. Oops. And then remove the cover also. Okay. There's another two screw on the handle. So before you can remove this, so this one is steam electric ironing. So you will remove the screw here. Not this one. Okay. And then there's another screw on the side. Yeah, this is for the spray. So it's already rusty. So we'll find out if the electric filament is still okay. So I already removed the cover. So after that, remove again the 3 screw on the heater element. So the fuse is okay, so the wire is okay. So I will check, the internal parts of the iron if there's a problem. So put back in the plug. So the fuse is okay. So this is the thermostat. I can hear it's clicking. So remove this and check on the bottom side. So we can this is the heater element. So this is the terminal, line 1, line 2. So I will check this if it's okay. So the heater element of this is fine. So I will check the thermostat if the thermostat is working properly. So the thermostat is is okay also. So this one is built in of uh, therm, thermal fuse. So if you can see that there's a wire by here, and then there's an insulator wipe. So I will remove this, and then if I will check if the thermal fuse is okay or not. So this is the insulator of thermal fuse. So I will pull this, and then I will show you where's the thermal fuse. So this is the thermal fuse. So okay, and then I will show you if this thermal fuse is still okay. So the therm, thermos, thermostat fuse is already gone. So it's already damaged. So this is the line one from the thermostat, from the line power, and then the other one is from the other line. So going to heater. So heater elements is fine. The only problem is the thermal fuse. So the thermometer fuse is already gone. So you can uh, you can jump this, or you can um, you can change it, but you can, yeah, you can cut it off, and then if you have a thermal fuse replacement, so you can replace. If not, so you can direct it. So there's a fuse anyway on your safety fuse in your plug. So the temperature of this is 240. So I think this one is yeah, 240. So it's already damaged. So instead that I will replace a new one, so I can try this to jump. So I will find out if it's yeah. So now I will use my tester. If you can see by here. So it's, if you can see that it's the my multi-tester is reading. So it means, so there's already a contact going to the heater. So we can plug in now, if, and then we can turn the thermostat. So that's the thermostat, and then so be careful not to touch the 220 volts. So it's, you can hear it's clicking. Then I will check now. So I can feel now the heat. So the only problem is only the thermostat. So while I'm waiting, my my thermostat fuse. So thermometer fuse. So we can temporarily jump the terminal of this. So when I receive my order, so I can replace a new one. So this one is for safety, just in case that there's a problem of your um, thermostat. So if the thermostat will not, switch off, or sometimes it will, stick together. So that's the cost of the thermal fuse will damage. So that's it. Okay, thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe on my YouTube. Any question, I can help you to do it yourself to repair your electric iron. Bye.